Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Diya, have you gained some power or strength after doing this, immaculate character?
I have. You felt it, no? Yeah. That's why you're asking me? Yeah. This story has empowered me unlike any other. It's given me much more than I could have ever hoped for. And I said this in the beginning of the evening. What more can an artist want than to find perfect alignment with their heart in the work that they do?
What message would you like to give to women when they fall in such circumstances,
That they always have agency. No matter what our circumstance, we can always count on our spirit. Nothing in this world can subvert our spirit. Nothing.
Mohit, playing the kafir, I won't say you must have inculcated those qualities, of course, but how was, bringing it to the forefront?
Well, it was very challenging and at the same time it was very, very easy because our writing was so clear because Bhavani had written it, so we always knew what Sonam wanted from it. And the only thing that I was supposed to do was to deliver it to Sonam. That was the challenging part. And that we learned on a daily basis because as actors, we always can see up to an extent. But a director, a visionary who has a certain kind of a vision for the story, will always look beyond us. As actors, we are a little limited at times. But I like to give the credit to Sonam because she always made sure that we understood the depth and the nuances to take it ahead. And it was a gradual process on a daily basis. I learned a lot. And it was a great journey. It was a great, great, great journey. And it just made, I guess, our bond even stronger. Sonam, Diya, me, and the kid. We all used to spend so much time together in the story, in the shooting process, that the story was so strong. So our bond just became very strong day by day.
Mohit, you had your childhood in Kashmir, your blockbuster film in Kashmir, and now your debut in film series which is set in Kashmir. So is Kashmir a lucky factor for you?
It's serendipity. Lovely question.
See, as everyone is saying, it's the same reason. Yes, the backdrop is Kashmir, but what got me attracted to this show was the story. I was in, as Siddharth mentioned earlier, that when he narrated the story to me, I was sold on the table, irrespective of the fact that where it came from.